Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start on your profile because that's where cover controls live. Click or tap the cover area now to reveal the camera icon or edit cover photo menu. This gives you options to change visibility and image. Once done, choose Upload Photo to pick a new file from your device or select Photo to use an existing Facebook image. You do this first so the system loads the right tools and permissions. That prevents permission errors later when you try to set privacy. You now pick the best image and adjust it. Upload a high-resolution file or select one already on Facebook, then drag to reposition and use zoom if needed to frame faces and text. Make sure to click the audience or privacy control, often an icon labeled Public, Friends, or Restricted, because cover photos default to broader visibility. Changing it is how you control who sees the image. Once positioned and privacy is chosen, you're ready to finalize. This step prevents save changes to commit the new image and privacy choice. Don't skip this. After saving, immediately use View As or Profile View settings to confirm the image appears and that the privacy level behaves as you intended. If the cover still shows publicly or the privacy button is missing, make sure Facebook app has storage and photo permissions, clear cache, or try a different browser. As a troubleshooting tip, re-upload the image in a different format, JPEG versus PNG, if the privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.